What's up guys? I remember a while back I cut a bottle into a stain and then you weave a rope out of it. Well, I had to build it myself. Now they actually build the gadget just on that concept. Let's see what it's all about. As you can see, it's a handle right here and you can adjust how much you want to cut your plastic bottle. I'm gonna say 1 centimeter. Okay, I got a plastic bottle. What we're going to do is just grab a knife and cut off a piece. Try to make it straight as possible, because that way it will be much easier later. And let's see how this works. You put it into the bottle. There you go. And then you just pull it through like this. Ah, no. Let's try this again. Start it out like this and keep going. I think it only works like this. You really have to hold it like this. You can't really pull it through other ways. It's cut off the wrong way. So you kind of have to push it forward and side. Forward and side. Other than that, it kind of does not work that well. But anyways, let's try this again. There you go. Now it works for some reason. Kind of comes off sometimes, the track. You see what I'm saying? Definitely not the best cutter because it comes off like this. Okay, let's try this one more time. Hopefully it will work now. Usually when I did that DIY one, it was pretty easily to cut a bottle. You just pull it on this string, but if you pull on a string, it just doesn't work. So you'd have to hold it like that to cut this bottle without it from it to come out. Other than that, if you pull on this thing, what happens is it just flies away. Okay, let's see. Oh nice, it works now. There you go, look at that. It's easy too. There you go, now it works. You kind of just have to pull it towards this way, so that way it's actually does what it's supposed to do. Nice. Looks like we came to the end. Now we can cut it off. There you go. Sweet, and look at this plastic bottle. Now we can weave it together and make a rope out of it. Or if you need to bind something together, that's perfect. There you go. It works when you hold it like this and cut goes this way and you pull it through like this. Then it works well. Other than that, it kind of comes off. So you just gotta use this gadget right for it to work. That is a really thick bottle, so the rope will be much thicker too. There you go. It just got too thick over here. As you can see, if you hold it the right way, it works really easily. And look at that, we have a really strong rope. If you pull it together, it does not break that easily, especially if you tie something around many times and make a shelter out of it, no problem. So as you can see, it is a great idea, but it does not work every single time. There you go. Nope. There you go. Now it works. It's so weird how sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. But for me it's the best to hold it like this and then it cuts really well. I think the problem is inside over here the blade is 90 degrees. I think it should have been tilted a little bit so that way it's actually bites into the bottle and not slides out and cut off the short pieces. It kind of works if you hold in the pressure out the perfect way. It will work, but a lot of times it will make these small pieces and it's really annoying. You want to have a really long one piece like this one. You probably can make your own that works a lot better. This one works, but it could have been a lot better, a lot easier to use. Anyways guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video, and I'll see you next time.